Hey, new crochet cousins. Listen, if you're thinking about learning how to crochet, but you're not ready to 100% commit, don't worry, I got you.
Hey y'all, did y'all miss me? Because I be missing me. I be missing me. But anyway,
Why
I
is she
wanted
so
to talk to
extra?
my new crochet cousins. Those that are thinking about crocheting and you're like, I'm not about that life. I don't want to spend all this money on this equipment and different things that I need. Listen, here's some basic tools that you can get from the Dollar Tree. Follow me.
So let me tell y'all how much I really like y'all. This day was cold, it was raining, and it seemed like everybody on the street had an attitude. So without further ado, let's just walk into the store. Okay, so I'm in the Dollar Tree, but I'm so easily distracted, y'all. Listen, I know I'm supposed to be showing you some crochet items and things that you can get if it's your first time crocheting, and so you don't spend so much money. But do y'all see this holiday stuff? I cannot. Yeah, I know I got issues. Lord help me. All right, let me get out of this aisle and let's go to where we need to be at. So here we are. Let's buy some stuff. Okay, I'm cutting up. Listen, they have several sizes here and they're in different colors. The handle isn't soft, so it is a hard handle, but it has a nice shape. It has a nice feel to it. I don't know how well the yarn glides on the hook itself, but I want you to see there's different sizes. There's a 5.5 right there, and then there's a 4.5 in my hand. I believe there is another size, so I'm just gonna go through these, and my cousin is with me. She just said, girl, pick up all three. So I got all three sizes in my hands, so she's gonna try them out so we know how well they work. Again, this is for beginners who aren't ready to commit to crochet just yet. You just want to see if you could figure it out. Now I'm dropping stuff, but you get the whole point. Okay, so here is an entire box, y'all. You ready for this? This is an entire box of cotton yarn right here at the Dollar Tree. I told y'all you could just go over to your Dollar Tree. Now, of course, all Dollar Trees don't have the same thing, but this one right here, this one right here, they have it. So you have all these beautiful spring colors. You can just go ahead and check it out. I'm going to check and see if there's some more because I know where they hide the other yarn at. Stand by. So I didn't find any more yarn, but I did buy a lot of stuff that I did not come here for. Not the entire basket, but the small green basket. It's a mini snack haul, you might as well say, just ridiculousness. So y'all stay tuned because I'm going to tell y'all where to get the hooks at for a low price and some good yarn for a low price. Well, I don't know if it's good yarn because I never used it, but I'm just saying, if you just want to practice, this is a place you need to come to practice and get some of those tools. As always, thank you so much for watching and follow me on all my social media outlets.